Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave me your comments. I do read them, every one. And please share these videos out. It will help me tremendously. At the end of this video, I'm going to have an update on Amy. Y'all stick around for that. Y'all please check out my new book. It's in the description box below. It's all about making money online and starting your own online business. And some business ideas are in there too, because a lot of people are saying they want to open a business online, but they don't know what they want to do. This book gives you a lot of ideas. Be sure and check it out. Okay, the next stimulus bill. The Republicans said that their goal is to pass a stimulus package by next Friday in the Senate. Then it will go to the House for their vote. Will they go for it? You tell me what you think. Will the House pass that bill? Please comment below and let me know what you're thinking. The Republican says they have a targeted package and that they are hoping that it will pass the House. They can all agree on it and pass it right away. It looks like it will be a bigger version of the skinny bill that they've already tried to get moving and failed. But now the skinny bill, from what I've heard that's in it, is looking pretty good. It looks like a stimulus check could find its way into this bill. But y'all, it's not set in stone yet. Please don't read more into this than I'm saying. It looks like it could find its way in there. It's not done yet. It also looks like the unemployment boost will be in this bill, and it will be at $400 per week instead of the $300 per week. Another $10 billion for the post office. This would bring the post office up to $20 billion. They have $10 billion sitting there in cash already. Now this $10 billion will put them up to $20 billion. Nancy Pelosi is wanting $25 billion. So she should go for this. State and local government will be getting around $300 billion. This should make Nancy Pelosi happy. She said she is willing to wait on this until January. You know, she wants $900 billion. Well, if she can get $300 billion right now, why not go for it and then try to get the other $600 billion later? I say she needs to take it. Mark Meadows said that the stimulus checks are in talks. This is a good thing because we know they hadn't even been talking about it lately. At least now they're talking about it, and it could find its way into this package. Y'all don't forget to check out my book in the links below. I think you'll like it. I think it will help you a lot. So be sure and check those out. Okay, an update on Amy. Y'all, she is 100% back to normal. I am going to get her on a video real soon. I'm not sure when, but it will be soon. Every day we have to go to Walmart and to Sam's Club. Everywhere. We're just running the streets. I'm having trouble keeping up with her. She's the one that had the bad heart attack, not me. And I can't keep up with her. I'm glad God answers prayers though. And I'm glad y'all all prayed for her. Y'all, thank you so much for all your support during that time. Y'all, please subscribe to this channel. Give me your thumbs up. Leave your comments below. I do read every one of them. You are my extended family. I spend more time with y'all than I do my family. I love you all. Ciao.